Hi, my name is Jason Helmick, a full-time author here at Pluralsight and a cloud and data center management MVP for Microsoft, specializing in automation. And welcome to my course, Creating Azure Stack Development Environments. Now, before diving into application code, it helps to know what products and tools are available to help you along in your progress. And since this is Azure Stack, the on-premises hybrid cloud solution, you also might be interested to know in how you might be able to develop for Azure Stack even before you have it in place. So in this course, you're going to learn how to set up a development environment ready for both Azure and Azure Stack, plus learn how to work with Azure Stack even if you don't have the hardware yet. So what you're going to exactly learn is preparing your development environment, how to apply some policies to an Azure resource group so that it simulates or behaves like Azure Stack so you can develop against it. You're also going to learn how to implement a temporary single node Azure Stack for both development and working with that full version. And by the end of this course, you'll know exactly how to get started developing for both Azure and Azure Stack. So join me as I go through this journey on creating Azure Stack development environments. Here at Pluralsight, we love learning, and I hope that you do too.